we usually welcome the English, or rather Roman Gregorian New Year with special prayers. Should we also say special prayers when we approach a new year in any other calendar, like the Bengali calendar or any other calendar?
If you are Bengali, you can say your prayer during the beginning of the Bengali calendar. There is no problem. It all depends upon which calendar you normally follow. Incidentally, when does the Bengali calendar begin?
Near 14th of April.
No,
14th or 15th of April.
15th of April, I see.
It's similar to the Iranian Persian Nowruz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.